run Llf Packing Products Company Limited since 2010 and located in Wanjiang District, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. We have more than 14 years industry experiences of the tins packaging manufacture. We have specialized in the manufacturing and wholesale. Varieties of personalized, colorful printed tin boxes to meet different clients' demands. Our main product is tin box, tin can, cosmetic tins, gift tins, slide tins, and food tins packaging. In addition to our everyday product line, the Tin Box Company can customize any tin to meet the specific needs of your company or merchandise. We are a professional metal tin box packaging manufacturer and BSCI audited supplier of tins packaging in China. In addition, our tin boxes packaging has EU, BPA-free, and EN 713 food-grade test report. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Europe, Asia. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.